How to link EA account with PlayStation account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to link your Electronic Arts account to PlayStation account, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open the EA application on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile avatar. Now select the settings button, and under settings, click on manage right next to your username. Now on the next page, click on the manage linked accounts button at the top right, and then click on PlayStation Network under not linked, or choose an option below to link an account. Once you select PlayStation Network, click on continue and click on the send code button to verify your identity first. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via email inbox. Go ahead and check your email, and once you see the 6-digit verification code in it, go ahead and write it down exactly as it is and click sign in. Right after you do that, you'll be able to see the sign in area for PlayStation. Go ahead and write down your PlayStation account's sign in ID or email address and click next. Now enter your password in the password field associated with your PlayStation account and click sign in. Soon after you do that, you will be able to link PlayStation account with your EA account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.